Buddy, this is Brian. I'm back with a Voyager update. It's been very good news for Voyager here. I'm going to go over some news in this chart, but first of all, if you like these kind of things, I go over crypto news and the charts daily. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'd love to have you here every day. That means the world to me, that's for sure. But let's go over this news here with Binance. Binance US can move ahead with plan to acquire Voyager Digital's assets, the judge rules. The bankruptcy judge in the Voyager case chose to allow the deal with Binance US over objections from the Securities and Exchange Commission and state regulators. Goes on down here to say Binance US cleared a major hurdle in its effort to acquire the assets of Voyager in a deal worth over $1 billion. Michael Wiles, a bankruptcy judge in New York, overruled the various objections to the acquisition. While the judge said he would still work through the confirmation order, he indicated he was in favor of approving the deal. Binance US may still have to clear certain regulatory hurdles before the deal can be finalized. VGX token surged over 8% in the minutes after the rolling, and it's up a lot more than that today. I'm going to show you here in a minute. The plan assembled after previous bidder FTX filed for bankruptcy protection in November have been supported by 97% of Voyager creditors who responded to the proposal, which could see them recovering nearly 3/4 of their holdings. The lengthy hearing started with good news for creditors. Voyager lawyers saying creditors could potentially make a 73% recovery, with the bullish crypto market raising a previous estimate of 51%. However, regulators from Texas and New Jersey have warned that those benefits could be significantly dampened if FTX's Alameda Research succeeds in clawing back $445 million in loan repayments made before its own bankruptcy in November. During day 4 of the hearing on Tuesday, Judge Wiles ultimately ruled that these regulators' objections did not outweigh the need to proceed with the restructuring of Voyager. The court heard from a range of witnesses on complex topics such as whether personal data would be handed over to Binance under the deal and why the transfer represented a better deal for creditors than immediate liquidation. And the article goes on. If you want to read it, you can look it up here, but good news for Voyager holders and VGX and whole. That's fantastic. Binance is going to move ahead with their plan to acquire them. And a real quick other thing I wanted to show you: Coinbase tells user missing $96,000 after security breach that it's his problem. He's suing them over this. He ended up he received a text from his mobile carrier in May describing a SIM card change request that he hadn't made. When he restored service to his iPhone the next day with a new card, Ferguson said he learned that almost his entire life savings was gone from his Coinbase account. So just covering that, you want to be careful out there. There's so many frauds. I've seen them all the time on YouTube. One with Cardano during the bull run, give us 5,000 Cardano, we'll give you 10,000 back. It was something like that. Or stake 5,000, we'll give you 10,000. It was crazy. There were so many frauds out there, and please just be super careful, and do your research. But let's go over this chart real quick. The chart's looking great. You can see, let's zoom in a little bit here. This is VGX on the daily. We just formed a golden cross here. 50 came up over the 200 right here, so that's a very bullish, obviously a very bullish sign. We're forming this big wedge down here on the daily. We have, resistance up top and support on the bottom, and we're making a real nice push up here to possibly break out of this thing. So things are looking really good. Let's zoom in a little bit on the hourly and see what's going on here. Yeah, it's getting right up to the top of this resistance, and what I'd be looking forward to do if it breaks this wedge, price-wise, and this isn't financial advice, but I'd be looking at it to come up and test the, it could come up to the, anywhere from, $1 to the $1.50 region, is the next resistance area. Hit 80 cents first, and then $1.17. then $1.50 if it gets up through that. So things are looking really good for VGX, you know, as long as we get the breakout. Of course, when you have a breakout, you need volume down here. You need buyers coming in like over here to support it. So, which we have been getting quite a bit of buying going on compared to back there. So things are looking up for VGX. I'll keep you guys updated. Once again, please like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for giving me your time today, and have a great day.